video. I'm gonna use this nail polish and this tiara. I'm gonna wear it and this nice dress. Let's begin. First, I'm gonna do nail polish. Next is my right hand. Oops. No, that's fine. My nails are done. You wanna check? Here's my finished nails here. I'll wear my crown. I'll wear my dress. Oh, nice magic! I'm gonna wear these shoes. Let's put them on. I'm gonna put this shoe on. Let's do it. I'm gonna get this next shoe. I'm gonna put it on. This is my outfit in the princess team. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoy our show. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell. See you next time. Bye-bye.